Guess what just arrived? Oh, yes. So, when the Paper Pro came out, I was tossing up with what sort of a cover shall I get. So, I've got this cover. I managed to get matching covers, which I love. So you can see, of course, I would have loved a pink one or a green one, but you take what you can get. And I was amazed to find I could get a BOOX cover that matched the reMarkable 2, right? So then I thought, shall I wait for the, sorry, everything moved then. Shall I wait for this company to bring out the Finty? It's called the Finty, and the link's down below if you want it. But shall I wait for them to bring out the one for the Paper Pro? And then I decided, no. I saw this cover, this little cover here. And it's been, the last 6 months has been pretty tough for me. I don't know about anyone else. Here I am. I'm undoing it because this is what I thought I would do together, is show you the new Finty. Oh, no, this is not the new Finty. This is the HOYIXI. Can you see that? HOYIXI. Got it from Amazon. I'll grab a link and pop it down below for you. But I saw this and it just made me think of life, you know, life. And sometimes I like everything matching, but sometimes you just need to capture that moment when something makes you feel happy. And I look at this cover and it made me feel really happy, and I kept coming back to it over and over again. And then I was thinking, shall I wait for that one? Shall I get this one? Anyway, I got this one. I love it. It looks to me like a tree of life. That's what it looks like, the tree of life. I love it. So this cover, that's it. That's the unboxing. All done there with all the stuff. It's pretty cool. It's the same picture in reverse on the back. And I haven't had this before. So you just get those inside. I've not had the hard shell with the space for the pen. So this is going to be great. Let's have a look here. And just a second. Let me move everything out of the way. Oh, let us look at this. So I might just turn that off for a second. And I've just had an update, beta update, so I've lost my cover screens, but I'm going to put them back on. All right, so you basically, that's all there is to this. You can see how thick and thin it is. Feels decent, but protection is what I'm looking for. And so, yeah, so let's get the reMarkable in. You just clip it in, I'm guessing, very simply. I'm going to, yeah, oh, that was easy. That was okay. Nice. All right, that's that. And then, oh, it's not going to fit. Guys, look at that. Hang on. That's not going to fit either. But you know, oh, they're the wrong pens anyway. What am I doing? They're the pens for my reMarkable 2. So that's the reMarkable 2 pen. This is the, there it is. Okay, I'm not sure what goes in here. There's nothing in there at the moment, but that is, let me show you. That's the reMarkable 2 pen. Sort of, it doesn't twist around because it's magnetized here. Okay, I can turn it on with this button, turn it off, or put it in sleep mode. That is the charging port here. So it feels, listen. So it's textured. If you can see that texture. And apparently it's like the iPad where you open it and you get that magnetic on off. So let's see. Yeah. See how it turned that on? It was turned off. I'll show you. So turn it off. Okay. Close the lid. Now, when I open the lid, it should turn it back on. Yep. And it did. All right. That is a lovely, it's going to protect my Paper Pro. So that's my BOOX, which has got the pen carrier and, you know, the stand and all the rest of it. This one doesn't stand, it's not collapsible. I don't ever use it like that, so I don't have it. I didn't buy it for that reason. And this is the collapsible stand one that you can get, foldable, Finty, fabulous, all the things, right? And this one does the stands up. Again, I don't use it this way. You go. I don't even know how to, oh, that's right. You go like, so that's the Finty. Anyway, they stand up. It's not very creased because I just use it and write on it like this. So I've got those two, and now I've got my beautiful Tree of Life. Look at that. Happy days. Open, close, but it's already on now. Turn it off. Close it. Magnetic. Open. And my pen's always there. So is it easy to get out? That's the question. Yes, because I'll tell you why. You see the gap there? So all I have to do is push it up and then, you know, start, well, you know, find a file, and they're the sleep covers that come in the big bundle. Don't worry. Yeah, so yeah, that works fine. Pop it back in there. You know, a little bit of practice, it'll be good. It's brand new. It's all covered, protected, and beautiful. And it's, yeah, it does add to the weight. I don't travel with my reMarkable much, and recently I did travel, and I took my number 2. I took my R2. So what I love is that the files are exactly the same on both. So I'll show you that. So there we go. So I'll go to that folder in here. So it's in sleep mode. We'll just turn it back on, go to shop big bundle, and you will see everything. You know what, it'll be syncing because I did move some files around, but you will, and so it's, see all those lines now, see how it's syncing everything? Yeah. So, but now what I love is that they're the same, you know, whatever you do. And I think in this day and age, it's very useful to have that cloud reference point, right? And so I do love that about this, but I do find the reMarkable 2 much more portable for me than the Paper Pro. And recently when I went out and when I did some traveling and I took the reMarkable 2, I had access. It didn't bother me that it wasn't in colour. I do use the Pro most of the time now because I love the extra size and I love the colour, but I do love the portability of the 2. So this number 2 isn't going anywhere. I'm not getting rid of it. I'm keeping it. I do love it. Yes, I do. All right. That's the unboxing of the HOYIXI. Let me get that right. HOYIXI case for the reMarkable Paper Pro. And here's hoping there will be many more good ones. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.